Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and save Instagram stories, Instagram highlights from an Instagram profile, right? So let's say you're on Instagram, you come across a profile, guys, and you go ahead and you tap on their story and you find something interesting, right? So here's a profile with some pictures and some videos. I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's say this is the one I want to download, right? I like this, it's very nice. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to simply click on the arrow here beside the art, right? That will normally allow you to share. Now at the bottom, you have a few options here. You can go ahead and you can click on the copy link. Now once you copy the link, you want to open up your browser. Now open up your browser, doesn't matter which one, go to Google and simple type in download Instagram story. You have a bunch of options here. I'm going to choose, for example, iGram. Click on that, and here you want to paste the link of the story that you just saved, right? So go ahead and tap there and you go ahead and paste the link. Then you go ahead and click on download. Now it might take you to another page. Just simple click back and you want to scroll down. Now here, as you can see, it finds the result of the story, and here you have the download button. So tap on download. It will take you to a page, but don't worry about that. As you can see, it is now downloading the story, right? Now once the story is downloaded, guys, as you can see, it is done. You can simply go ahead and click open, and here it is. Let me go ahead and pause that. Now I'm going to show you where to find that in your phone. So for example, I'm using Android, so I'm going to simply go to my files. You can do the same on your iOS device. Go to files, and here you can see I found the video as well, and I can play it. So I'm going to simply click on play here. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple, and you can use this to do whatever you want as well. So very easy and very simple. If I go to my pictures there, you realize I also have it as well, so I can always use this for whatever I want. I can always go back and share it on my Instagram. If I go ahead and scroll across, you realize I have Instagram, so I can tap on that. So that's how you can get images, videos from anywhere, from anybody's Instagram story, and you can save them and you can download them to your phone to do whatever you want. Very easy and very simple. Hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.